you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Update your game. Ensure that Elden Ring is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs and improve stability. Check your gaming platform for any available updates and install them. Step 2. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher Steam, Epic Games, etc. to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for missing or corrupted files and replaces them, which can resolve crashing issues. Step 3. Check system requirements. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Elden Ring. If your hardware is below the required specifications, it may lead to performance issues and crashes. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause crashes in games. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers for your system. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings in the game can help reduce the strain on your system and prevent crashes. Access the game settings and try reducing the resolution, texture quality, and other graphical options. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues in Elden Ring. If problems persist, consider seeking further assistance from the game's support forums or community.